tú te atreves. Trae a tu amiga pa' que también pruebe.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Lucy again with a new video. And what I'm gonna be doing today is I'm gonna be unboxing my first BoxyCharm. So if you guys want to know more about it, and just keep on watching. So what BoxyCharm is a monthly subscription, and you get 4 to 5 full-size products, and I think that's really good. So once you open it, this is what it looks like. So this month's theme is vacation. Get it? Vacation. So what this is a smoky eye brush set, and it comes with 3 different brushes. Oh my god, this is really cute. Okay, so this is what they look like. The brushes actually have numbers, and the first one says step 1 for the money, step 2 for the shadow, and step 3 go girl go. They're so cute. So the price for this brushes is $23. So what we're gonna go next is with this mascara, and it's by Bella Pierre Cosmetics, and this retails for $20. So this is what the mascara looks like. Ooh. Gonna go next is with this blush, and it's by MakeVamp blush. You see me right there. This blush retails for $26. And finally, the thing that I'm most excited about is this eyeshadow palette, and it retails for $36. Oh my god, I'm scared. This is what it looks like. Ah. Oh my god. So let's go here and open it. Oh my god, this is so pretty. So this is what the palette looks like. Once again, it retails for $36. This is so pretty, you guys. So you guys, this is the end of the video. If you guys want a first impressions, let me know, and I will be doing that video, because obviously I want to try that palette and that blush and those brushes and that mascara. Also wanted to mention is that pretty soon I'm gonna be doing giveaways, so make sure you guys stay tuned, comment on my videos, like my videos, and yeah, I mean, thank you also for all the support that you guys are giving me. I think right now we're at 190 subscribers, and I'm like really happy, because I honestly thought that I was just gonna be like 250 subscribers or something, but you guys are actually giving me a lot of support, and I really love that. So once again, you guys, thank you so much, and I'm gonna be leaving the link for the BoxyCharm, and I hope you guys really like this video and go and subscribe. So bye bye, see you on my next ones.